Namaste and welcome to Divyaved Yoga. We really hope that you liked the previous asana demonstration videos for Bhujangasana and Ardha Shalabhasana and Shalabhasana. In this video, we learn another backbending asana, that is Dhanurasana, the bow pose. So the previous asana which we demonstrated, the previous backbending asana which we demonstrated, those were Bhujangasana, the cobra pose. There were two variations of Bhujangasana, and then there was Shalabha asana, two variations of it, Ardha Shalabha asana and Shalabhasana. These asana actually are preparatory poses for the asana which we are going to learn in this video, that is Dhanurasana. So the previous three asana actually prepare our body, our spine to attain the posture of Dhanurasana, the bow pose. So let's learn how to perform Dhanurasana, but before that, let's know about the precautions and benefits for the asana Dhanurasana, bow pose. The precautions to be observed for the practice of Dhanurasana and bow pose are that this asana should not be practiced in case of any recent abdominal surgery, or if anybody suffers from hernia or prolapse or stomach ulcers. This asana, Dhanurasana, is to be avoided during pregnancy and menstruation as well. There are many benefits of regularly practicing Dhanurasana bow pose. Thus, pressure that is imposed on the stomach while in the holding position of the asana, it massages the internal abdominal organs like intestine and the stomach and pancreas. So thereby this asana improves the function of these organs. There is a stretch on the front side, on the chest. So this actually improves respiration. The chest opening effect improves respiration, and therefore this asana is very helpful in relief from asthma and bronchitis. Dhanurasana bow pose also has a positive effect, it's also beneficial for the function of adrenal glands. This also improves the function of kidneys, and this strengthens the spinal muscles. Okay, so the regular practice of Dhanurasana entails all these benefits, but it should be performed while observing the precautions mentioned earlier. So let's now see how it is performed. To practice Dhanurasana, the bow pose, lie down on your belly. Prepare to practice for the asana and rest the forehead on the mat. Spread the legs more than hip distance apart. Bend the knees and hold the ankles. This is the asana pre-position. Inhaling, raise the body and the legs up so that the body is now balancing on the abdomen. This is the final holding position of Dhanurasana. Breathe normally in the final holding position, keeping your focus on the stretch experienced on the front side of the body, the arms and the legs, and compression on the spine. Hold the position for 2 to 3 rounds of breathing. To release the asana, inhale, and while exhaling, release the body and the legs down. Release the hands and straighten the legs. Practice Shashank Asana, the child's pose, by resting the hips on the heels to counter the compression on the lower back, and relax. So this was the technique to perform Dhanurasana bow pose. We hope that you find it useful for your practice, and you do let us know in comment section about your experience while you were practicing. And always remember to practice yoga or any yoga posture with awareness and following all the precautions while practicing. Thank you.